What's up, y'all? What's up? Alright, well, I'm out here with the slow car. I finna try to do a bumper modification. No, it's not putting the little thing, the noodle mod. No, I'm not doing that. You'll see what I'm doing once I start working on it. You'll kind of start figuring it out. But I'm gonna record it as much as I can. Jasmine will get off here in a little bit, so I gotta go pick her up. But I'm gonna merge in some videos to this and just go from there. Alright, see y'all in a second. I am really loving this jack. I only paid $80 for it. And it's a 3-ton low pro. So yeah. I really want to repaint those things, but yeah, it's too much of a pain in the ass right now. Oh, don't look at my cornage on the paint. Once the car gets completely done to where I need it in I worry about body. But for now, we'll go from there. Alright. Something's going on here. Don't mind how I routed this. I know I got freaking hoses everywhere. I'm putting a bigger cooler on, so I won't have to run those dual ones. My suggestion is to never run rubber lines for a trans cooler. They suck ass. They always leaking. Something's always going wrong with them. Something's always something. Oh, belt done slipped off. Oh well, I ain't got AC anyway, so. But yeah, so trying to do the next step. But I think first I'm gonna try to adjust this latch because, as you can see, it doesn't sit in it. And when you press down, it doesn't lock. Now, I'm not sure if it's because I don't have this part that sits up in here, but we're finna try to get this to work because, yeah, it already done flew up on me once, so, yeah, figure that out too. Alright, so it is almost 1 o'clock in the morning. It is 12:50 a.m. So today's Friday, technically. So yesterday was my mom's birthday and whatnot, and so I decided to do something to the car that I was saying earlier. I couldn't get the hood to latch, but I got a body guy that drives a G8. He's gonna come over and help me tomorrow. So I'm gonna switch over so you can see what we did. So we put the splitter on. I said I. And then I got the GXP diffuser on with the GXP muffler. So yeah, I'm just gonna rinse this thing off and take my black ass to sleep because my phone about to die. The watch is like 50% right now, so I'm gonna rinse this thing off and take my butt to sleep. I'll let y'all. Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. It's what time is it? It is 7:19 in the morning. Been up since about 5:30 with Jasmine. Just at work. I got a work truck. What was I about to say? Oh yeah, so last night we put the splitter on, but I think I did it wrong, so I'm gonna have to do it again. I tried to figure out, see if it was gonna work this way, but the whole ride to work this morning, it was just doing this, and you can hear it, you know. So I guess in the morning, and after when I get off, I'll try to fix it and see if I can fix it or not and whatnot. So we'll go from there. But here we go. I got it on there, but it seems like the way I have it on there, it's not supporting very well. So I have it right here, but it's not going into this back area. It's just going in right here in this crack. So I got a bolt right here in this crack, but I mean, It seemed like it was working well, but we'll fix that. I don't know if you can really see the carbon fiber hood. There you go. But gotta fix that gap. You gotta get that latched up. But bam. Believe it or not, I only paid like $12 for this diffuser. I won it in a raffle. And I put the GXP mufflers back on because I didn't want to burn up this diffuser like I'll burn up all the rest of them. And don't mind the holding badge. Long story with that. But yeah, like I said, when I get home later on, we'll figure out what's going on with it. But that'll be for another video. But